Gardner here, Joe Spowen, episode 30. And what we're going to do, we've got a old Billycart we've got from the dumpster. We're going to go and have a look, and we're going to do a series of little episodes on restoring it. So let's go take a look.
Yeah. Woo! We haven't put on the wheels yet, but we're going to.
Yeah, we're going to do it right up. We're going to start from scratch. We're going to strip it right down, and yeah, as you can see, needs a bit of work to get it back to a brand new tip-top shape. But
yeah, and that's the seat, and this is if you want to turn.
It's going to be where you turn. But yeah, we'll do a few episodes, and we'll slowly restore it to brand new again, won't we, guys?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching that episode, and please subscribe and like my videos.
Like my videos.
Yeah. Please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode.
Next episode.
Yeah, well done. Bye.